little cocktail that I call Sage Advice. It's a pretty easy drink. It's vodka, doing about 2.5 ounces of vodka per drink.
I think the advice on the Sage Advice was actually given to you years ago by Nick, right? One of our buddies.
Yes.
Remember?
Nick Matone.
Nick Matone used to make these back in the
mixologist.
day. Oops, it was like 15, 20 years ago.
Yes, he actually would come to our apartment with a big jug of Sage Advice.
Of elixir.
And we'd have cocktails set
I don't know
for
if this is exactly his thing, but this is your riff on it, right?
This is my memory of what it sort of was like. That's fresh lime juice. I made some simple syrup, which, as you all know, is half sugar, half water. You just heat it up till it melts and then keep it in the fridge. And then in the bottom of my cocktail shaker...
You could use lemon or lime, couldn't you?
Yeah, you can use lemon. We're going to muddle fresh cucumber, which I sliced. Basically, you're making cucumber juice.
With lots of sage.
Right, sage is coming next. And then you add a few leaves of sage and muddle those as well. Then you add ice. And shake it. Which I love doing. This is my exercise for today. Now I've also pre-chilled my glasses just by putting ice in it before I started the drink.
John bought me those glasses. They're gorgeous. I don't remember if it was Christmas or Valentine's, but they're incredible, and I hate using them. Do you know why? Because I'm afraid I'm going to break them all.
Yeah, these are not easily replaceable. They're not replaceable.
They're completely irreplaceable. They're hand-painted antiques. So I really don't like even touching them. This is just because we're making a television show for you that I'm even allowed to touch them. And it was a gift to me.
The good news is we'll make Rachael Ratio history if you literally witness her break one of the glasses right now. And I just garnish it with a little sage leaf on top.
I never allow myself to touch these.
You go.
I'm so nervous already. I'm putting mine on the counter.
Sage advice.
My sage advice is not to let me near this glass.
I'll get you a sippy cup.
Delicious.
It's very tart and refreshing.